Today I'll show you a brand new source to make money online in 2021. You can send emails and get paid again and again, and in order to learn how to set it up properly, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every step right. But just before we start with this video, I want to remind all of you to subscribe to our channel Aiden Emia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. And if you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this video. Without any further ado, let's start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything you need to do. So let's proceed with the first platform that we are going to use today, which is going to be also the platform that is going to pay us. And the platform in question is called VFly. This is over at vfly.com. The first thing that you're going to see over here is that you can make your YouTube video go viral with this platform. They help you to get more engagement on your YouTube video by promoting it to relevant audience. You're going to see also that they have delivered more than 500 millions of views, and also they have more than 9,000 of happy clients. So you're going to see that you can just paste your YouTube video and then you're going to get real YouTube views, which is very important. And also you can enter keywords and select countries, and this is going to help them find the right target audience. So also all the views, subscribers and likes are going to be real, and also they offer real engagement, so no fake views whatsoever. But today we're not coming here in order to buy views, subscribers and likes from this platform. You don't need to have a YouTube channel whatsoever. You just need to scroll all the way down till the bottom of this page, because today we're going to promote VFly as an affiliate, and I want you to click on the affiliate section under Explore, and it's going to take you over to their affiliate program page. You're going to see over here that you can earn 50% of every campaign that you bring in. So you're going to earn 15% commissions of all the people that you're going to refer on here. And the thing is that I'm going to show you how you can target specific and targeted people in order to make money again and again in a passive income. So 50% may not seem like a lot, but the thing is that there are a lot of people, there are millions of people out there that want to grow on YouTube, that want to grow their YouTube channel views and so on, and they can do so by using VFly, and you're going to help them with that. And also this platform is not very popular actually, and this means that not a lot of people know about this, and you can suggest them this platform, and this is going to help you a lot in finding a lot of targeted people. So first of all, you just need to click on the Become an Affiliate button here, and it's going to take you over to this page where you need to put your first name, last name, email address, a password, retype the password, agree to their privacy policy and terms of service, and click on the sign up button. Or if you want to, you can continue with Google, which is a lot faster and a lot easier because it requires just one click of a button. And in the next page, you're going to see your dashboard. Here, all you need to do right now is to go over to the affiliate section here, because today we are using VFly only to make money. And it's going to take you over to this page, and here you need to click once again on Join Affiliate Program, because it is on your dashboard, and you can sign up for their affiliate program. In the next page, you're just going to put your first name, last name, email address, password, and then click here I'm not a robot and click on the sign up button. After that, you'll be able to get your affiliate link that you can share with people that are interested in growing their YouTube channel or YouTube videos and so on, and you can make money again and again. So once you get your affiliate link, you just need to drive traffic to that link, need to find people for that, and I'm going to show you the best traffic source for that. And in my opinion, the best traffic source is YouTube itself. So I've searched on the search bar how to gain more followers on YouTube, as you can see over here, and it gave me a lot of videos actually related to that topic, but I want you to find the ones that are recent, so not longer than 1, 2 or 3 months in my opinion. So you can open one of them, and once you do so, you're going to go over to the comments, and you're going to sort them newest first. So you're going to find people that have commented on this kind of videos. And the thing is that people that are commenting in this kind of videos are people that are interested in growing YouTube, because why do they need to watch a video and comment on a video like this besides that they want to grow on YouTube? So you're going to help all of them with a website, and there are two ways in order to contact them. First of all, you can contact them via comments, or where you can say about a website that can help them in growing their YouTube channel, YouTube videos, and so on. Or what you can do else is to just open their page, and you can open their channel, and then you need to go over to the about section, and if you scroll down, you're going to see under details here their email address. As you can see, it says sign in to see email address, so you'll be able to contact them through email, which is better in my opinion. And you can just contact them and say, like, if they want to grow on YouTube, you have the best website for that, and you can go over through all of the features that VFly has to offer, the one that we went over before. So you can mention the real subscribers, users, likes. You can mention that they can enter the keywords, select countries, and so on and so forth. And it's going to be very easy, and it's not very expensive. So you're going to help them a lot, and also you're going to benefit from it. But sometimes the email address, it's not shown over details, so it may take you a little time and effort into this, because you need to find the email address in order to contact them. But if you don't find an email address, maybe they leave their social media informations over there, so you can go and contact them through their social media. Or if they don't, sometimes they even leave their email address in the description, as you can see over here, so you can contact them once again over here. But of course, if you don't find any means of communication, you can just go over to the comments, you can reply to their comments, and you can say them that you have the best website. And of course, if they want to, then they can email you, they can send you an email, and you can communicate furthermore. So if you comment on these videos right here, other people are going to see your comment over there, because it's going to stay there forever, and people that are going to see these videos are going to also see the comments, and also they are going to see that you may help them with a website that is going to grow their YouTube channel, or even their YouTube videos. And they can contact you, and you can give them your affiliate link, and you can make money again and again. So it is a good strategy in order to make money online, especially for beginners. You don't need to have a YouTube channel for this. You just need to get your affiliate link over at vfly.com, and once you do so, you can go over to YouTube and find people that want to gain more followers on YouTube, or they want to grow on YouTube, and so on. I highly recommend you find the newest videos and also the newest comments, so you can sort them by newest first, as you can see over here, and just find the people that want to grow on YouTube. Of course, this requires a little bit of time and effort, but if you dedicate some time to it, of course you can get the desired results. So it depends on you, on how much time and effort you want to put on this strategy. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, I highly appreciate if you give a thumbs up and a comment down below to our video, and of course subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.